Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Trading Basics. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect XM to Metatrader 5 application. Keep watching the video till the end. To connect XM to Metatrader 5, firstly go ahead and download XM application. Open the application and create your XM account by entering your email address, tick mark on the box given below your email address and tap on continue. Create a password for your XM's profile and click on register. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. A confirmation mail will be sent to your email address. Open your mail sent by XM and click on verify email. After creating your account, you will be provided with your XM account's number. Now open your Metatrader 5 application. The home page of Metatrader 5 application will appear on the screen. Click on three lines at the top left corner of the page. Click on Manage Accounts. On the next page, click on plus icon at the top right side of the screen. Search for your broker's name, that is XM Global Limited, and tap on it. Enter your login credentials. Your login ID will be your XM account's number and the password will be the one that you have used to create your XM's account. This is how you can connect XM to Metatrader 5 account quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.